Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, miles from the nearest cell tower, with the sun setting behind the mountains. You look down at your wrist, not at a screen, but at a survival tool that has just calculated your hydration levels, predicted a storm rolling in from the north, and is currently drawing power from the very last rays of the sun to ensure you never go dark. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the reality of 2026. This is the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro. And if you've been thinking about buying the Apple Watch Ultra or even the Fenix 8, you need to stop everything. Because the leaks we are about to discuss don't just move the needle, they break the machine. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For the last decade, Garmin has been the king of the rugged mountain. But in the last 2 years, the competition has been closing in. Apple and Samsung have been trying to steal the adventure crown. But Garmin wasn't sleeping, they were building a monster. The Fenix 9 Pro is a device that shouldn't technically be possible. We are talking about a forever battery, a micro-LED display that rivals the sun, and medical-grade sensors that turn your wrist into a portable laboratory. Today, we are going deep. We are peeling back the layers of the 2026 supply chain leaks, the internal patent filings, and the blueprint reveals that have the entire tech world in a state of shock. Let's start with a feature that is making every survivalist in the USA lose their mind, the Forever Battery and Solar 3.0. For years, we've had solar charging, but it was always an assist. It slowed the drain, but it didn't stop it. The Fenix 9 Pro changes the math. Garmin has developed a new, multi-layer gallium arsenide solar film that is integrated directly into the display stack. In the 51mm model, the efficiency is so high that if you spend at least 3 hours outdoors in typical US sunlight, the watch can actually gain charge while in GPS mode. Think about that. You could start the Pacific Crest Trail with 50% battery and finish it with 100%. Garmin is officially calling this indefinite runtime. This is the end of the charging cable as we know it. But how do you have a forever battery and a high-end screen? This is where the micro-LED revolution comes in. The Fenix 9 Pro has reportedly ditched the traditional AMOLED and MIP displays for a world-first 4,500 nit micro-LED panel. For the uninitiated, micro-LED is the holy grail of display tech. It has the perfect blacks of OLED but the brightness and power efficiency of a calculator. At 4,500 nits, this screen is twice as bright as the Apple Watch Ultra 2. You could be in the middle of the Mojave Desert at high noon, and the maps on your wrist will look like they are backlit by a searchlight. It is perfectly visible in direct light and sips power like a ghost. And speaking of maps, the Apex UI on the Fenix 9 Pro is a total hardware reset. Garmin has finally upgraded the processor to a 2-nanometer architecture, making the map rendering instantaneous. No more stuttering when you're zooming into a 3D topographic map in the Rockies. It's fluid, it's fast, and it's backed by SatLink 360. This is the feature that will make traditional satellite messengers obsolete. The Fenix 9 Pro has an integrated two-way satellite communication system. You can send an SOS or a simple "I'm safe" text directly from your watch to a satellite, without needing a phone and without needing a separate in-reach device. For the American hiker, this isn't just a feature,